Hi, this is Mayzies' Exit. Horton Sits on the Egg, the whole pre-intermission song. This is gonna be the lower harmony for the Bird Girls. I'm gonna hold up fingers for which Bird Girl sings which of the Bird Girl lines when we split them up. It's on page 105 of your script. Then carefully, tenderly, gently he crept up the trunk to the nest where the little egg slept. Then Horton the elephant smiled, and he sat and he sat and he sat and he sat. He sat all the day and he kept the egg warm, and he sat all that night through a terrible storm. Ooh, ah.
I'm cold and I'm wet and I'm catching the flu. Oh, Mayzies, hurry, I've got to save who? Oh, Mayzies, hurry, I've got to save who?
I brought you a scarf.
Thank you, Gertrude. Have you heard from Mayzie?
She sent a card from Palm Beach.
Palm Beach? Gertrude, what if she never comes back?
Don't worry, she will. Horton, notice anything different?
It's getting colder.
Then came the winter, the snow and the sleet, and icicles hung from his trunk and his feet. That one's a little funky, the rest is just Horton. And then came the winter, the snow and the sleet, and icicles hung from his trunk and his feet. Yeah, and then the rest is just Horton. Thank you.